wasn't too much of an adjustment. Honestly, I kind of preferred working out here solely because sometimes moving from kind of a smaller town to Lexington, which I know isn't the biggest city in the world, but still, it can be an adjustment. So I enjoyed having a break from the city and coming out here and, well, working, I guess, but it's fun to me. I'm Weston Wolf. I'm a senior here at the University of Kentucky. I've worked out on this farm for all 4 years of my college career. I'm about to graduate with an ag econ degree with an animal science minor and a business minor, and I'm also getting the distilling certificate. Early in the morning, day starts at 6:30. We come in and we'll have a feed sheet that we know how much of what gets put into each ration, and then we'll go to each barn and feed. Obviously, it's very different than my family farm, but with a lot nicer equipment, a lot newer stuff, and still a big learning curve when it comes to all the technology that they use out here, and having to do everything to the pin because you don't want to mess up the research that they do out here. I've learned so much out here, and frankly, it's made a lot of my animal science classes a lot easier, honestly. Just that hands-on experience, really, you learn so much about animal welfare, health and nutrition specifically. I mean, this place takes nutrition to the next level, and it shows to get into like where it kind of complements my ag econ. They don't waste anything here. They have everything to a T when it comes to like silage that needs to go into a ration, or cracked corn, distiller's grain, all of that is to a T. And so not an ounce gets wasted. What little does gets composted and put back into the soil. So it really gives you a new perspective on how farming can be done. It's been nice out here, and everybody out here is just the best people to work with. I mean, I try to encourage as many incoming freshmen or anybody in the College of Ag to get a job out here, because I mean, it can save you money, you make money, and it's just a great experience overall. If you ever plan to run your own operation, then this is the place to work.